Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair video. Today we're going to be talking about oil leaks in some of these Honda vehicles. This happens to be a 2006 Honda Accord 2.4 liter. And there's a little cover here. A little cover here with a gasket. I took it off already. That tends to leak, and on some models it'll drive you crazy because this is all buried behind brackets and stuff. Well, this one it's behind the tensioner bracket here, which I've already removed. I removed the water, or I'm going to remove the water pump because it's leaking, but the power steering pump and the tensioner has to be removed to get to it. And sometimes you notice that there's oil that kind of pools up down here and whatnot, and most people always focus on the valve cover gasket, which do leak as well. But in this situation, there's another little gasket here that leaks a lot, and it's called the VTC cover gasket or something like that. It's kind of weird. Variable timing cover, solenoid gasket. They put all type of weird names to it, but pretty much is going to be Dorman part number 917269. And here's the old one right here. This is what it looks like. It has a little screen on it, and there's several variable valve timing solenoid gaskets and stuff that are easily found. This one not so much. You'll have to do a search on the internet to find it. I couldn't find it it was difficult for me to find it from the auto part. You gotta call it a certain thing, and it's difficult. VTEC gasket. So that's the part number. Once you replace that and you put it back on, leak resolved. So if you have a leak in your Honda vehicle and it's kind of difficult to locate, pinpoint where it's coming from, and you see this little cover back here, concentrate on it, because chances are it's going to be leaking. And normally it drips down through the front of the engine and all that good jazz, and it'll take you for a loop. So look at that gasket. Alright, well, I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.